Hello ladies, welcome to another one of my videos. This one too is about MetaMask. This time I thought I'd show you how to use the in-app browser and connect your wallet. I'm currently going to change my network to the Binance Smart Chain for this video, but of course it pretty much works the same with any app that's on a particular network. If your wallet is on that network and if the app is also on the same network, then you'll be able to connect your wallet. All right, I'll show you what that's about. So you just click the three lines and it'll take you to browser. Currently I have no tabs open, so I'm just going to open up a new tab. This is what you're going to see. So very commonly asked is, how to go to pancake swap, not pank swap, pancake swap. Okay, there we go. Pancake swap. All right. Pancake swap is a decentralized exchange where you can swap tokens, like different tokens. I mean, if you have BNB, you can start swapping it to something else. So, well, now we've landed up at pancake swap. So the wallet's not connected right now. It says BNB balance low. Obviously, my wallet is empty, but like you can see, it just automatically will connect to your wallet. All right. And always remember, when you're on apps like this and you've finished doing whatever you have to do, you've checked your balances and you've swapped whatever you needed to, and it's in your wallet safely, always remember to disconnect your wallet, because that is one way that you can get hacked. If the protocol, or if in this case it's a DEX, pancake swap is a DEX. So in this case, if it gets hacked, then your wallet is prone to hacking as well. So it's just security measures, no FUD. This is not to make you scared. This is just to kind of tell you what the best practice is while using your MetaMask wallet. All right, moving on. So you just saw how you can connect your wallet. I'll just do it again. Press connect, press MetaMask, and it will just show you. When you click on it, you will see that your wallet is connected. And in order to disconnect, just go there and disconnect. All right. So that was one. And now I'll show you what I mean by being on the same network when you need to connect your wallet. Okay, I'm just going to open up another browser. Now remember, I'm on the Binance Smart Chain. That's my MetaMask is on the Binance Smart Chain. I'm going to open something called Wonderland Money, and I'm going to open the app. Now there's always like a website version and an app version of of projects that I've seen so far. At least it follows a pattern. Okay, so here we are. This is a Wonderland Money. This project is actually a fork of another project called Olympus. We'll talk about forks later. If you don't know what a fork is, it's basically, in short, it's when a set of people from the original group just decide to take the project in a different direction. And they still share some of the basic fundamentals of the previous project. So it's a fork. Read up more into it. I will leave links in the description if you like. Tell me in the comments what you want me to make videos about. All right. Okay, moving forward. So now we're on Wonderland Money. And if I say connect wallet, it will say wrong network, because Wonderland Money is not on Binance Smart Chain. It is on the Avalanche network. So in order to connect to a site like this, what I'm going to then have to do is go to wallet, change to the Avalanche network, go back into my browser, and now you can see it is connected. See, because I can see the disconnect button. So this automatically connects to your wallet when you're on the correct network. Always remember to disconnect your wallet and have fun browsing. I think one more thing that I'll show you before you go is now suppose you need to check someone's transactions. You need to check your own transactions, right? So every network has an explorer. So basically, I'm now on the Avalanche network, so I'm going to just, till now I've just randomly typed in Avalanche Network Explorer and I will get a page. I will just verify that that's the page that I need to be on. I'll go forward. So you see the first link that opens up is Avalanche Explorer. Now, basically what this means is this site can basically tell you, if you put in an address or a token, it can tell you details about where on that network or when transactions happened. And this is where you get most of your contract addresses for tokens that are on this network as well. So any information pertaining to a particular network you can actually find on these particular sites. Now they're different for every network. So this is for Avalanche. There's one for the BSC network as well. It says Blockchain Explorer for BSC, and there are many. So every network has an Explorer page that you can obviously go to, and you can access information. All right, ladies, that's it for now. I hope you enjoy these videos, and I hope they're helpful to you. If you like more of these videos on MetaMask wallets, cryptocurrencies, how to invest in cryptocurrency, how to make passive income, how to work towards your financial freedom, which is so, so important. I know this channel is nascent and we just got started, but I'm hoping to build a huge community of women who just need this for themselves more than want this for themselves, because it's one thing to want more money and it's another thing to need more money. And for the first time in life, cryptocurrency is gotten to a place where you can make exponential amounts of money without actually having to work that hard for it. And I think that to a woman is a lot. If you enjoy more videos on crypto investments, definitely subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so that you know every time I make new videos. And I make new videos every day. Okay, now bye.